Hello friend, welcome to JTech. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete your TikTok story at your TikTok accounts. So before we get started, if you are new at my channel, please subscribe it first and press the bell icon button for upcoming video notifications. Now let's start today's topic. Firstly, open your TikTok account. Now tap at plus sign. Now page my screen, you can see down the bottom you can see options, post, story, templates. Simply tap at story. Now tap at upload. Now upload your story. Now tap at upload. Now wait for a moment. Page my screen, you can see my story is start uploading. Now if somehow you want to delete your story from your TikTok account, simply tap at your story. Now a page down the bottom you can see a share option. Simply tap it here. Now page my screen, you can see down the bottom a option called delete. Simply tap at delete. Now page my screen, you can see delete this story. Simply tap at delete. Now page my screen, you can see deleted. Like this, you can easily delete your story from your TikTok account. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please like it and share it. And finally, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel too. And if you have any question related to this or other, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.